In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable high-quality uploads on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here at the bottom right-hand corner, tap at Profile Picture. Next, here tap at Menu icon and select Settings. Now tap at Account. And here you have to find data usage feature. Just hit on that. And now here you can set high quality uploads on Instagram simply by toggling off this option. If this feature toggled on, you always upload the highest quality videos even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, Instagram automatically adjusts upload quality to fit network conditions. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.